Hey there! Craving a creamy, silky flan, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? You're in for a treat. Today, I'll show you how to make the most incredible flan in your microwave in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Restaurant quality flan in minutes. All ingredients are listed in the description below. Let's make some magic happen. All right, let's dive right into making this delicious microwave flan. First, grab a microwave-safe glass cup. We're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar into the cup. Now, just add enough water to dissolve the sugar. You want it to look like a wet sand consistency. This is going to be the base for our caramel, which will give the flan that classic, sweet, and slightly bitter flavor. Next, pop that cup into the microwave. Set it for about 2 minutes, but keep an eye on it. What we're looking for is the sugar to melt and start caramelizing. You'll notice it turning a lovely golden brown. Be careful though, because it can go from perfect to burnt pretty quickly. If your microwave is particularly powerful, you might want to check it at the 1.5-minute mark. Once your caramel is ready, carefully remove the cup from the microwave. It's going to be hot, so use a towel or oven mitts. Swirl the caramel around the bottom of the cup. This helps coat the base evenly, which will make for a beautiful presentation later. Let it cool slightly until it no longer runs when you turn the cup upside down. This step is crucial for setting the caramel. Now, let's move on to the flan mixture. In a separate bowl, crack open 1 egg. Add 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla is going to add a lovely aroma and depth of flavor to our flan. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even try using almond extract for a different twist. Whisk this mixture until everything is fully combined. You want it to be smooth and uniform. If you like a little extra flavor, now's the time to add a pinch of salt. It might sound odd, but salt can really enhance the sweetness and flavor of the flan. Give it another whisk to make sure everything is well mixed. To ensure our flan is silky smooth, strain the egg mixture through a fine mesh sieve into the glass cup with the caramelized sugar. This step helps remove any clumps or bits of egg that didn't fully incorporate. It might seem like an extra step, but it makes a big difference. In the final texture of your flan, place the glass cup in the center of the microwave. Set it to cook for 2.5 to 3 minutes, depending on your microwave's power. After 2.5 minutes, check the flan. You want the center to be set, but still have a slight jiggle. If it's not quite there, continue cooking in 30-second intervals. This ensures you don't overcook it, which can make it rubbery. Once the flan is cooked, carefully remove it from the microwave and let it cool slightly. This will help it firm up a bit more and make it easier to handle. You'll notice the wonderful aroma of vanilla and caramel filling your kitchen. To speed up the cooling process, transfer the flan to an ice bath or pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. This helps it cool down completely and makes it easier to unmold. Just be careful not to leave it in the freezer too long, or it might start to freeze. Now for the fun part, unmolding the flan. Place a plate on top of the glass cup and quickly turn it upside down. Gently shake the cup until the flan separates from it. You might hear a little suction sound as it releases. If it's being stubborn, you can run a knife around the edge to help it along. Finally, serve your flan chilled. You can keep it simple or get creative with garnishes. Fresh fruit, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a sprinkle of cinnamon all make great additions. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave flan.